Hello, guys. Welcome back once again to Self Made. Well, today we are going to talk about the steps for boosting a business or page or videos on Facebook. So, step number one, set a goal for your Facebook campaign before you start boosting your business or page or videos. It's important to set a goal for your Facebook campaign. Your goal could be to increase your page followers, generate more leads, or sales or increase engagement on your post. Step 2, choose your audience. Facebook offers advanced targeting options that allow you to reach the right audience for your business. You can target your ads based on factors such as age, gender, location, and more. For example, if you are promoting a fitness program, you can target people who are interested in fitness and living a healthy lifestyle. Number three, select your ad format. Facebook offers several ad formats for businesses, including image ads, video ads, and more. Choose the ad format that best fits your business campaign those goals. For example, if you are promoting a new product, you might want to use a carousel ad to showcase multiple images of the product. Step 4, create your ad. Now it's time to create your ad. Facebook offers an easy to use ad creation tool that allows you to choose your ad format, upload the image or videos, write ad copy, and select your target options. Make sure your ad is visually appealing and communicates your message very clearly. Set your budget and schedule. You can choose to run your ads continuously or set a specific start and end date. You can also set a daily or lifetime budget for your ad. Facebook offers a variety of bidding options that help you to get the most of your budget, including cost per click, cost per impression, cost per action. Step 6, monitor and optimize your ad. Once your ad is up and running, it's important to monitor its performance and make adjustments as needed. Facebook offers detailed reporting tools that allow you to track your ads, reach, engagement, and conversion rates. Use this information to optimize your ad and improve your results over time. Example, let's say you are a fitness trainer who wants to promote your new online training program on Facebook. Here's how you could use the steps above to create a successful Facebook ad campaign. Step 1, repeating again with the example. Set a goal for your Facebook campaign. For your Facebook campaign, your goal might be to generate more leads for your online training program. Step 2, choose your audience. You could target people who are interested in fitness, living healthy, and online training programs to them. Select your ad format. Step 3, you might choose to use video that showcases your training program, highlights those benefits. Create your ad. You create your ad and video that shows you working out, explaining the benefits of online training program. You could also include a call to action button to encourage viewers to sign up for your program. Step 5, set your budget and schedule. You could set a daily budget above $20, run your ad for 2 weeks. Step 6, monitor and optimize your ad once your ad is up and running. You could monitor your performance and make adjustment as needed. If you need that your ad is not generating enough leads, you could adjust your targeting or ad copy to improve its performance. So that's all for today. I hope you will find it useful enough to grow in Facebook.